Hey, Wilf, that's exactly right. Revenue, it may have doubled to $1.8 billion, but so did its losses. They were even higher at nearly $2 billion. And while that is a huge number, it's not actually very unusual when you look at the other big startups getting ready to tap public markets. Burning through cash in favor of growth is par for the course these days. Lyft's losses were north of $900 million last year. Uber's net loss, $1.8 billion. Pinterest's filing late last week was notable because its losses were only in the tens of millions of dollars. Zoom's S1 also last week was remarkable because the company is actually profitable. So WeWork's Vice Chairman Michael Gross telling me that there are a number of levers they could pull to be less unprofitable, but doing so would come at the expense of growth, and they don't want to do that. So they're also watching the upcoming crop of IPOs closely, and the next week, of course, will be critical week and weeks ahead. Lyft is expected to debut this Friday, Uber as early as April. Private markets that are flush with capital have led these companies' valuations higher and higher, yet they're expected to IPO at even higher price tags. So we'll see soon if public market investors value growth over profits as well, or if these ride-sharing companies and others end up more like Snap and Groupon, other tech darlings that went public with no profits and have struggled in the aftermath. Guys?
And Deirdre, I guess Lyft is an example where, despite a widening loss, the market still happy to get on board, and the indications are that that's even going to go above the earlier indicated range.
That's right. We did have a source tell us that it's going to be pricing above its expected range. And remember that its last private market valuation was about $16 billion. It's already raised billions of dollars. It is expected to go public later this week at a valuation north of $23 billion. That's a huge jump. Uber, the jump is expected to be even higher, and we know that in the lead up to its IPO, Uber is shoring up businesses and potentially even taking more investment.